Imagine this. You're sitting back, sipping your coffee, while your money works harder than you ever could. That's the magic of the GOREX Personal Trader, the world's first plug-and-play device that turns Forex trading into a hands-off adventure. No more staring at charts till your eyes cross. Just plug it into power, link your brokerage account, tweak a few simple settings, and boom, it's off to the races, trading currencies like a pro. What makes GOREX a game changer? It's fully autonomous, powered by integrated AI that scans the markets 24/7, spotting opportunities faster than a hawk on caffeine. We're talking smart algorithms that learn from every trade, adapting to volatility like it's no big deal. And the tech behind those trading decisions? It's built on cutting-edge machine learning models, crunching real-time data from global exchanges, analyzing patterns with neural networks inspired by the best in AI, like GROK itself. We use reinforcement learning to optimize entries and exits, factoring in risk management, trend analysis, and even sentiment from news feeds. No voodoo, just solid, data-driven smarts that aim to maximize wins while keeping losses in check. But you're not left in the dark. Control it all from your phone app or web dashboard. Super intuitive, no PhD required. Chat with GOREX in plain English. Hey, we're exiting winners too soon. Tweak those settings. It'll understand and adjust on the fly. Need to slam the brakes? Hit close all trades or pause trading with one tap. Resume whenever you're ready. Dive into your trade history for insights, see what's working, and fine-tune your strategy without breaking a sweat. GOREX isn't just a gadget. It's your personal Forex powerhouse, blending hardware reliability with AI brilliance. Whether you're a newbie dipping your toes or a seasoned trader wanting more freedom, this little beast handles the grind so you can live your life. Markets are wild, but GOREX tames them. Plug in, profit out. Go GOREX, go crush those pips.